Now, here, think of a forward like this. This part is basically where you have a right to sell at 88.50. That's what this means. And this part is sort of an obligation to sell at 88.50 in a way, right? You can think of it like that. So forward can be looked at like this. A sell forward can be looked at as a position which is equivalent to buying a put and here selling a call. Think of it like that. So buying a put and selling a call together at the same spot, at the same rate, same strike will create a position where you are locked in at that rate. Less than the rate, your buy put will come into picture. Greater than the rate, your sell call will come into picture. Either side, you are locked in. Now, this is a way of looking at it, which is useful now in understanding what we can do. Now, buy put would have a cost, which would be negated by sell call. And so you had zero cost for the forward. Now, what we tried to do in the earlier case, right, in the pre-put option example, what we did was instead of buying put at the forward rate, we wanted to buy a put at the spot rate, 87.72, which means my protection starts from here, not from the forward rate. That's what we did, right? Buying protection at 87.72 means that. And that's it. And we did not take on any obligation on this side, correct? And for this, we paid a premium of buy put. So what therefore can be thought of is why do this? And it's not at all taking an obligation is costly because I have to pay 78 paisa premium for this in addition to the forward premium getting lost out. So what you can look at is, okay, instead of 80, if this is my forward 88.50, right? And this is my spot 87.72, let's say. This is 78 paisa gap, right? Now, let's say I want to, I have a view, I have a pretty decent view that rupee is going to depreciate beyond 88 half. I don't want to get in locked into 88 half by doing a forward. So what I can do is, same time, I don't want to pay a lot of premium. Why am I paying a premium for put? Because I'm taking a potentially unlimited benefit if rupee depreciates in a put option. I don't want unlimited benefit. So what do? What I say is, okay, instead of 88.50 and 87.72, right? 78 paisa roughly, right? So let me say I will take, instead of 70 paisa, I will take only 28 paisa as the benefit and say I'm minimum rate I want to get protected at is 88. Meaning instead of 88.50 buy put, I buy put at 88, which means my protection starts from 88 and below. Above 88, I don't get 88 half. I only get 88. Above 88, I'm open to market to start with. But then this will have a premium, lot of cost. So to hedge this, rather to reduce the premium, what I'll do is, okay, 50 paisa worse than the forward is my rate here. Same 50 paisa roughly, actually slightly higher than 50 paisa if you price it properly. But let's say 50 paisa above the rate is 89 here, right? So what I'll do is instead of 88.50, I will take on an obligation from 89. That means what? I sell call. Instead of 88.50, I sell call at 89. So let me put it this way. Forward can be looked at as buy put at 88.50 in export case, sell call at 88.50.